Hey guys, so there are two ways how you can possibly fix the issue if your Xbox wired control is not turning on. It's something that I found already. So this person wrote here that I just had to restart the Xbox. So guy just wrote here that he had to restart the Xbox and right now it's fixed and it's working for him. Another advice is that, try to use different cable. So let's say that you're gonna try it out with PS5 control, it's not working out. So try it out with a different controller, maybe that is going to fix the issue, to actually know that if there is like problem with the cable or with the Xbox control itself. And also what you can try to do is that you can try to look if the control is actually plugged all the way in and vibrates to indicate charging. So wiggling the cord a little bit. And yeah, so try it out. Have a great day and goodbye.